This conference will now be recorded.
Now I'm just doing a screen share now. Okay, so first of all, just everybody know Excel. Okay, everybody know what is Excel and all. Now Excel has some limitations. There is almost 10.5 lakh rows only is there, that everybody know. And you have more number of rows, then it becomes difficult for you to use. You know, there is only 10.5 lakh rows. If you use entire rows in the Excel, then the Excel can crash. And a lot of times, you know, the error comes that display error, saving error. Some file can corrupt very easily. So that's the reason we go for some very powerful, robust application which is called Power BI. Which is called Power BI. So Power BI is application actually which is given by the Microsoft. Actually. Microsoft. Just type Power BI. You can see this is a Power BI application which is free. Which is free, completely free, and there's no charge at all. That's the beauty of this, and it's very robust and it cannot crash at all. And it's very it can give lot of benefits for you, and I'm telling you that it will be enjoying the ride with the Power BI when you want to analyze a big data that you want to analyze. So some reports I'll show you what all has been developed for the traders that can help you in learning about this whatever the Power BI can do. So this is a Power BI. So now we want to go for installing this. What you do is download Power BI desktop. Type here Power BI desktop. So just when you go for Power BI desktop, then you can see download Power BI tools that you can see here. Then go for this advanced download options. Then you can see there are two options you'll be getting. One is for 32-bit and another is for 64-bit. So before that, no, can everybody hear me? Can I just confirm? Because somebody is telling I'm not able to hear.
Yes, can hear you.
Yeah, okay. I think, madam, Lakshmi, madam, I think she's not able to hear. Please restart your computer possibly. Now you have to know first your Windows. First of all, you should know about Excel. What is the 32-bit, 64-bit actually? If you go to Excel, go to File, go to Account, and you can see here something like this product. If it's Microsoft Office 365, Office 2016, 19, that you can see here. And go here, About Excel. Click About Excel. You'll be able to see a 64-bit. Okay, this is how you know about what version of Excel you have. This is 64-bit here. This is the Excel version, 64-bit 32-bit. Now go to my computer, this PC, just right click here and tell properties. Then you'll be able to see what is your Windows version, 64-bit is there. So now when you have Excel and Windows, both should be having same bit processing. 64-bit processing in the Windows, and in case of Excel also 64-bit, and Power BI also 64-bit. So this is what is important. So Excel is not important as of now. Power BI works independently. Excel is not needed at all. Now when you go to this Power BI download here, you go to download option here. Then you can see two options are there. One is Power BI desktop and another is 64. So if you have Windows 64-bit, then you have to select for this option and install. And if you have Windows 32-bit, you have to go for this option and install. So this is the way how you install the Power BI application. Once you install, then it will ask R application R to be installed actually. Automatically the link will be shown in your Power BI so that you can install that also. Since I already installed, it is not asking for me. Now once it is installed, you can see Power BI desktop will be there. Or you can just type here Power space BI. You will get Power BI desktop. This application icon you will get here, and it will be opening. And keep some space, very good space in the C drive, and your RAM should be 8 GB RAM at least, so that you'll be able to use that. You can see here some 17 GB RAM is there, some D drive, some 560 GB is there. So some good amount of hard space should require at least 10 GB, 15 GB space is better actually. Because in my case they give the entire space in the D drive actually. So some delay will be there, but it's okay managing now. Because a gaming laptop and it is giving this full space in D drive. So ensure some space is there in the C drive, and also you have this in this space you just see here what is your what you call the RAM. RAM 8 GB RAM is better actually. In case you have a slower RAM, 4 GB RAM, 2 GB RAM, then it will be difficult for you to handle the Power BI file. Now, when you open here, recent files, it will show what other reports you want to open. It will show here also. Now, already I have created the Power BI report, which I sent to all the people who subscribe for the annual service of this Excel dashboard actually. So I'm just let me just show you this actually. So it's opening. This file is opening now. Now, this is the way how it has been given to you now. Now lot of people are asking whether this Power BI dashboard can be opened in Excel. Definitely not. It's like yeah, aeroplane. So for example, a flight pilot is there. Pilot is driving a cycle, something like this. Okay. So don't try to put a pilot in the cycle and ask him to drive. That is not fair. Something like this. So this is Power BI is completely different. It's like a top class application, and once you start using it, it's going to be something wonderful tool you can use for Power BI dashboard. So this is the report you are able to see here. So I'm not going to tell you how to create under something here because it will be the big session altogether completely. And I'm teaching for the students who are learning Excel training from me. So it will be almost 10 12 sessions is happening for the people who are learning Power BI, where they'll be able to create this like the reports on their own. Now the objective of this webinar is first is whoever got this report, Power BI report, how to change the source of the data. Now just come here in the right side, you can see here FNO data. Just go there here. It's very important. You can see some three dots is here. Just click here and tell here edit query. If you go to edit query and you can see the source here, just come down here. You'll be able to see the source. Source you can see here. Click this star, some buttons there. Then you'll be able to see this is the place where you have to change the source of the data here. You can see this just what are the data you are getting linked. You change the source and you'll be able to change yourself from your location where you kept the bow copy. Now I kept the bow copy in the left side here. F1 data I kept a bow copy here. Like this I keep for month wise everything I kept here. Whenever I save the bow copy in this location, I click refresh, I'll be able to get the data here. Now, not only here you have to change data here, there is one more place you have to change because sample file is being created by the system. And here, if you go to sample file 2, there you can see the source. You can see a source here. The same source what you have kept there also you have to change. This source also click here and change the source. So this sample file 2 also you have to change. If you go to sample file 3 here, go to the source here, you can see this is something different. You can see here, FNL220 is there something. And this is a volatile data is there. So these are not relevant for you. So you can just ignore it. So the first problem of linking the data is solved actually. Now, second thing is different reports are there actually. You can see the short build down, long build up, short build up, unwinding, you can see here. So this is one report. And I'll show the Excel. Some people are new also. What is the Excel dashboard also? I'll just show them also. So this is what you're going to get the product actually. Let me just show you. So what are the different problems we are facing? Can somebody tell what is the problem that we are facing? One by one in address now. Can somebody respond? Yeah, tell me. Hello.
Yeah, even after Ramesh sir, even after
Ah,
changing the source to sample file as well as the FNO, it was
ah.
still showing that same problem.
There is no chance it can happen actually, but I don't know how to explain this now because that's the reason. Maybe you're changing different, maybe like possible what you can tell query possibly. See what you can do is, for example, in the case what I sent to you, you have to change the query to actually. Okay, what you do here is no need for changing all the queries. Go here and change only this to query to actually. You can see here for this FNO data source, what you can see here, what are the link you're seeing here. For example, here now what I'll do is, for example, I'll take the FNO data for August month. Okay, now what I'll do here, August month, I'll select here FNO data 2021 August month. Okay, I'll select only August month. I'll just select and then control C, copy this, tell OK. Now I'll get data only for August month. And what I do here is go to sample file to queries. You can see the source what is there given here is September 21. This also I'll change here and select entire thing, control V, tell OK. Now you can see entire August month has come. Close and apply. And now you'll be able to see only the data for the August month. Whatever the files you're putting in the folder, you'll be able to see that relevant data only. Just try, Swarna, you'll be able to get it. I'm sure there is some other problem maybe you're facing.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Any other doubts on this dashboard now? What you got? Okay, now I'll just take you through the Excel dashboard also. What is there for somebody who are not what is not aware of this Excel dashboard? I will tell them also, so that they'll be helpful. So now this is an online Excel dashboard which I'm telling you, somebody who bought for annual subscription, you will be getting this access to this online file. Now, for example, when I go for this now, the webinar, I just go in a different browser. I'll go here in trading dashboard. So this is the file you'll be getting access like this. In the web version, you'll be able to see this data entirely. What you are seeing here in my local folder, it is set in OneDrive. Somebody will be able to see like this is the only viewing option, and you have to refresh this every 5 seconds, something like this. For this, there is a Chrome extension is there, where you can use this Chrome option here. Now you can tell here I want to refresh every 5 seconds. Click until start, and it will keep on refreshing every 5 seconds. Now let me show you like in the dashboard here. I'll just type some name in Excel file here. I'll put here Ramesh. Okay, I'll put the name here, and this is the browser you are seeing here. After 5 seconds refreshing, let me just save this. Save option. Now after 5 seconds, just keep on refreshing now. So once the refreshing comes, you will be able to see data here live. You can see the name coming here. Okay. So this is how the data is keep on refreshing for you, and you'll be able to see the data. Now, what are the information available? You can see also. Now, first is one main dashboard I created actually for this Bank Nifty, and FNO stocks. So these all FNO stocks we are getting here. This is not live actually. Maybe there is a delay of 3 to 4 minutes actually, but you'll be able to get some all FNO stocks actually, which is giving a long breakout, which is giving short breakout. So there are something called the Camarilla point, long breakout, short breakout. It's a long breakout means a very good move on the upside is going to come, and the call option buying will be giving good profits actually. Okay, now in case of short breakout means the short side you will be able to get good profit buying the put options. Now if you see here, there are 71 stocks that has broken out on the short breakout, and what's the profit per lot? Lot size, everything is defined in system. So you see what's the profit you are going to get here, and the long side, what are the profits? So you see Indigo has made profit of 90,000 here. See there is one more thing, liquidities and the spillage will be there, and there will be some there's some the difference between the bids and offers will be there. So definitely you know I'm able to get this much profit, some lesser profit, but definitely you know what stocks you attack for the buying call option and what stocks you attack for the put option, that you'll be able to know. And these are the for Bank Nifty, what are the indicators that is giving the bearish trend, and what is the indicators that is giving them bullish moves. For example, when the futures trading below open price, definitely is bearish. And you can see here, we'll see one. Maybe I'll take the questions after this now. One by one question, just keep on fire me, and then I'll just tell you the answers. Now, intraday open interest is below 1, and overall PCR is gone below 1. This for the at the money and nearby at the money options, at the money and in the money options only. And put winding is seen 3 strikers actually. You can see here that is put option, 3 strikers are coming down actually. Now, in case of call option, I think this some going on some mock trading is going on, some possibly some data is now getting changed, and futures long build up is seen here, and futures are trading above previous day high. So these are the things that you consider for the defending the bullishness, bearishness. And whenever you can see the calls are unwinding, then there's a time call is giving a very good move on the upside actually. And similarly, put unwinding scene, there's a time put giving very good on the upside actually. And now in case of Nifty also same thing. When call unwinding, see if you see call unwinding, it has come that day in the market Thursday gave a big up move. All call unwinding was more than 50-60% actually. Yesterday we saw a big up move on the call side. And similarly, put options you can see there will be nothing put unwinding, everything put addition only happening. Keep on adding to open interest. So that day you'll not be seeing very much any built up scene, and puts are keep on melting down only that day. So they should definitely, if as an option buyer, you should not go and buy the put option that day. So this gives you indication of what you have to attack. And the candle also comes in live market. The candle every tick by tick, it will keep on updating here, and you can see this is the. So this is the data on the back end. It will keep on going, and every tick will be getting on the Excel. and then that will be flowing into the data here in the live market. And this one sheet for the bank Nifty trading, you can see strike by strike, which are the strikes. You can see support. You can see the support here, the PCR. The strike by support is there for 1.21. The support here as of now for the bank Nifty, and this is the short straddle. The line grounded, you can get automatically. It's keep on understanding the what's the low straddle, and it will be showing the low straddle also. And it will show here top 5 call option open interchange, 5 put option open interchange, total open interchange. This also you'll be getting here. So in case what are the, if you're going for call option writing, you should look for what is the trend here, how many bullish trends are there. If you see 50-50 is there now as of now. So it is the range hold. That's the reason range hold you are seeing also. So you look for both the call option writing and put option writing, both you should look for on the upside call option writing, on the downside put option writing. And if you see these levels also is getting here, and this level is going to be same for the entire full day. So whenever you are looking for something okay, this is levels change for Monday already. So whenever you are looking for buying call options, look for buying call options that goes below the go long level and crossing above go long level, and then you get a signal. So BWP signal also you get here, buy signal, sell signal you get here, and then similarly for the put option also you get a buy signal, sell signal. You should look for only for buying call or put option only if you get a buy signal here. The otherwise you should not go for a buy signal. And whenever it is giving a price movement above the long breakout, then you should be going for the buying options. Otherwise you should not go for buying options. Similarly, if the price cannot sustain above this long breakout, then you should not stay in the long buying of the call option and put options. So long breakout, if it goes and comes below this, it's a fake breakout, you can assume. So that's what happened on even like Friday. And similarly for put options, also same levels are given here, and the same thing levels given for bank Nifty board. So if you're option buyer, option seller, you have to follow this strategy very disciplined way. For example, if you want to go for selling a call option on the gap up, now if the market is gap down, tomorrow like for Monday the market is gap down. In case Nifty you saw some almost 100 points down is there. Now in case 17,000, now we close 17,585. Now 17,600 put option. Okay, now you think that market is a fake breakout. If you want to know whether the market is a fake breakout or it's trapping the bears, then you follow this level here. For example, 17,600 put option or 17, what are the price you're seeing? 17,600 put option currently trading at 197 rupees. If it goes beyond 155, it's a long breakout. It is going to keep on giving money on the upside. It is never going to come down. Okay, then if it is going above this and started coming down below this 120, 155, then it's a fake breakout. The put option will be a trapping. Whoever buying the put option will be trapped. So this way you can see mathematically how the prices are impacting you, whether you want to be on the buyer side, seller side. These 4 levels give you the indication actually. And next is the F&O stocks. These F&O stocks only I have selected only some 40 stocks only, which is highly rewarding only. And this is on circulation, keep on giving some profits. Otherwise, suddenly new stock will come, like Indigo will come very rarely on the news and will make money. But most of the times, this TCS, Kotak Bank, Tata Steel, Tata Group companies will get, and bank stocks will get here. And this is the pricing. You get also like Indigo means which strike price you would select, call option, put option, which strike price you would select. That also will get here. And what's the BWP? This is the price you're going to buy, and this is the price, current market price, and what's the profit per lot. So you'll get only some top 5 only. You can keep on watching for this. Automatically, when the price changes, you'll be able to see the top 5 only here. Not everything. You need to go and search or something like this. The top 5 you'll be able to see the stocks that are giving the highest profits here. No need for a hunt for anything else. Whatever is in top 5, just for scan for that and see the call option particularly, and then you have to buy that call option, put option only. And your stop loss is that BWAP, and then slightly you can keep 10% of this as stop loss. If you can manage the stop loss, then it is okay for you to handle this buy option in the call option, put option, stock options. Liquidity is one more thing. When the liquidity is not there, you should not go for the particular stock options. And there is a Black-Scholes model is there, where I will tell you on the live where the market is, what option price. This is the theoretical pricing of our Black-Scholes model, and this is the actual price. Now already if you see time values keep on ticking every day, every second will keep on changing. You can see here the price will keep on changing here. Every second will keep on changing during the market hours. Now the price is trading at around 16 rupees now. Now for example, Bank Nifty tomorrow, or like for example for Monday, if it is gap down of almost 200 points. Now you can see here the price, the call option will, what are the price call option, it has come down here. Actual price is 395. The value of call will be 280 that day. means on for example 37 500 now, so 37,500, the call option closing at 535. Now it go to 392. So you know here when the market is gapping down on the Monday with 200 points gap down, what will be the price that day at the morning? Okay, now the current price time is we take 821. So we have to take for Monday actually. So if we take one day more, so Sunday 8:22 a.m. Then Monday 2 days. Okay, 2 days is there. 8:22 a.m. here, and let me just make it to minus 4 hours. So we'll get 12 minus 6 hours minus 7 hours. We'll be able to see the time opening time market hours roughly. So 2 days and minus 7 hours. We'll be able to see 20 September morning opening hours morning. When the bank nifty comes from 200 points, 37,500 call option will be trading at 336. So you'll be losing directly 200 points here. So this is a call option. What is the price? So this one simulation you will be able to see also. But this is not, this is a viewing option. You can download this file for the people who are subscribing. They can download this file and you can just use this model to do the simulation here. Here you have to link to the futures price here. That's the only thing you have to change here, and the actual price you have to link it. What you can do is just you can type somewhere have your data means, then you can just paste special value and you'll be able to do simulation for bank nifty and nifty both. So as of now, you can do simulation using this model for bank nifty options for that. For example, now let us see for nifty, if it's minus 100 points a day for Monday. Now simulation days also, let me just see here what is simulation points will be. Now 17,500, let us see 17,500 call option. We're trading at 162. Now it will become 102 rupees. But put option definitely will go up actually. That it is because of volatility. Now the volatility also is linked actually. If you see the live VIX also updated here, that also tick by tick will be getting. So now the VIX is increasing. So the VIX is increasing. Then the 92, for example, it is now 17 or something like this possibly. Now let me just do some simulation here. Hope the two data is working now. 1%. Yeah, if it's going to 16.23, now you can see the VIX is going to 16.23. Now the value of put option will go to 104 rupees. It's from 60 rupees. Okay, and the call option is same almost. So this is the way how you can do simulation with yourself using this file. But this is only for viewing purpose available. You can download and use the simulation. Those who subscribe for this. Once you can see here what are the subscribe file. You can just download this actual file. Save as, you can download a copy. Okay, so you can download a copy and use it actually. That is free to, you can use it. And if you have true data also, you can just, because this dashboard, if you want to buy this, the true data is charging you some simple file they're giving. It's around 2,500 rupees they're charging actually. I'm giving for people who are subscribing to this service for free actually. And also it's monthly is 500 rupees only, and for annual is 6 months buy, 6 months free. If you subscribe for 6 months, you'll get a 6 months free actually. So that's a good thing I'm giving for your traders. At least some people start making money using this tool what I'm giving to you. So this is a sheet where you can see here long breakout, short breakout only separately you are seeing here. Just somebody want to focus only on this sheet, you can focus. And you can see tick data also. Every 3 minutes you'll be able to see tick data for each and every strike price. Net open interest, what is happening. If you see negative means the high level is support here. So the morning for bank nifty, if you see here, the support was here around 1045 here. Started slowly coming down, support is breaking down, and close to 37.5. That's the place where support came in the last moment. Because the last 20 minutes of a spike, some support increased actually, but this is a fake. So same thing available for tick data is available for Nifty also. And here you have some FNO data here. And this is not for you actually. So for me purpose, so these are the sheets available here. So this FNO data, what you can see since August here, I have to remove this, and now I can select for the August expiry here. We select the August expiry here, 26 August. So once select the August expiry here, I'll be able to see the August data here. ICC Bank. Okay, now I want to replace September. I can do September also. Let me replace that now with the September data. Now only changing the folder name you can do this actually. So what I have some plans is that some people who have problem of so using this Power BI data linking refresh and all, then I can do this for you and I can share the file. the link every day. You can download the file. That option is there. So maybe some small charges I can maybe for this actually. But let me see how practically is possible something like this. So that also is possible. I'll come back on that shortly on this. Now I'm just selecting the folder September. Control C. Okay. Now I just go here and change here the data. So just no need to do anything changes in the data. Just change the source folder and be able to see the data here. Now I just close and apply. Now all the data from September, you will get the data into this. So hardly it takes maybe less than 1 minute only maximum. That's it. So data is getting refreshed now. Now there is some more thing also you have to see here, the filters. Now you can see something about filters here. When you just there are three things you can see, columns here, fields, filters, everything. Now when you select here the filters here, the filters what is enabled here you can see. So I have selected here last 20 days here. That's what is important here. And when you select somewhere inside this, you can see the extra filters on this page. You can see the September. What are the filter I given 30 September is applicable on the entire report actually. So this based on this 30 September of expiry, you'll be able to see. So these are the things you should be able to handle actually on your own if you have this Power BI report with you. Like you've been driving, for example, you've been an Excel user and it's like driving some ambassador car. Now you got a Mercedes-Benz, or I don't know what and all the luxury cars can give you. So if you're getting something like this, you should know how to drive this also. Otherwise, the same thing cannot work in Mercedes-Benz. You have to be a little sophisticated. A very sophisticated tool. And here, the long breaker automatically just you have to select the date here, 30 September here, and select the timestamp. We'll see all the stocks there's give long build up, short build up, long on pending, short on pending. We'll be able to see. And this report will be there here where you can see here for expiry 30 September expiry on particular date 17 September. What are the stocks, which stock options gave them profit action? Indigo, you can see what are the call options which gave profit. This is the end report. So definitely it may not help you, but definitely you can do backtesting purpose. You can see all the stocks, each and every day which stock has given the profits. You can have an idea and you can do some backtesting for this. And this is the day-wise data actually for any call option, put option. You wanted the BOW copy. Instead of going and downloading BOW copy, it's very difficult to do the practically. It will take a lot of time for you. So this one report, we can see select any particular 36,000 call option you want to see. You can get the 36,000 call option. You can get a expiry of say 20th September. How many days traded? You can see the data. So call option, put option. You want to see straddle? Just press Control and use the PE option. You will be able to see the straddle cost. What is it? Otherwise, just select here the call option. You'll be able to see the call option. In case you remove the slicer here and select only the Nifty, just remove the symbol. You can just select Nifty and you can select only for Nifty and the call option. You can select here 17,500 call option. You can see 17,500 call option. So this way, just every second you can see the data here without any delay in this report. Then stockwise open interest report. So stockwise you'll be able to see day wise last 5-6 trading days. What is the long beta, short beta? You can have this report also, and you can see chart. This is a very beautiful chart where you can see for the daily basis for each and every call option, put option, any stock or any expiry. You can see the data. This chart you can see here, because this chart you cannot see for the past. You can see trading view chart, investing.com. Any website you see the option data is available for only the future, means the current only. The past option data chart is not available at all. Now if you want to see for Indigo, now Indigo what happened here, the call option you want to see for say 2000 call option, say 2000 put option is there. Now call option I want to see, you can see the call option how it came. So this is the way how you can see charts for any stock options, futures options. So futures also you can see for the past. Now as you may have data for August, now I load data for entire year of 2021. I can see the entire data for the any stock options report. Reliance I want to see for 2000 because this strike price is same common for both. So 2000 is selected here. You can see what is the call option you will do and see the put option. What is the open, high, low, close? You can see both. So this is chart. What I'll do is that the link for this file will be sent to the people who bought this is new file actually. I'll send the new file to the people who bought this and online Excel dashboard for 1 year subscription. For them, I'll be sending out an email, this new file again, and sending it to them. Now, I'm planning to give some updations every means 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or 1 month, or one thing. Let's keep on giving new updates for them in this file itself. And it's going to be free also. Actually, I'm planning to give for free this new updates also without any charge. Okay, but only thing is that, see, as of now, I'm giving it a very good rate. So try to grab this, like how Jio is offering you some in the beginning, free of call or everything. I'm giving something so many freebies actually. Try to use it. Once the number of customers are increasing, definitely the price is going to increase. So try to use getting this opportunity when you are taking this opportunity, because after that the price is going up, and please don't ask me for the offers. I may not be able to give you that time. So this is the initial stage, because I'm starting this new service, and I'm sure anybody, I'm also getting benefited, you're also getting benefited. That is my idea. And you can see this is the 5 days suitability, because if you go to the this any service, what you go to NS India website, this go to NS India website, I'm sure everybody knows the bow copy. Now, if you just see here the BWAP, this is the BWAP for, okay. Now I want to show this also. Now you can see in the option there is something called BWAP is there. Okay, now just see here the BWAP also is there. Where is it? There is a BWAP. Yeah, BWAP is there. It is for option features only. I can have the options also. Now let me just show you what is options BWAP. Yeah, that I just drag and drop here. Now I'm getting options BWAP also. Now here what I'll do here, I just drag and drop this option BWAP next to this features BWAP. Now here just drag and drop, so the columns automatically come there. Now, so if you see the bow copy, whatever is there, I'm sure everybody knows the bow copy. Let me just take one bow copy here for sample purpose and see how the bow copy is structured. What are information available? Now you cannot see any BWAP at all. This you can see here, there is no BWAP at all. Now, if you want to calculate BWAP for each and every strike option, call option, put option, and arrive at some conclusion with the average of them, you know how much of hell of a task for you to do this. Okay, so as of now, just keep it open here. Now here I can get the BWAP also for each and every call option, put option, strike price. For example, let me take the Nifty call 17,500 call option here. 17,500 call option, 17th September, the BWAP is 208.85. This is never anything manual. Now, see, there is automatic, everything automatic, no manual at all. Now, 17,500 call option, let us see what is the case. 17,500 call option, you can test it. Okay, let us see here. What is the expiry that you selected here? Expiry is 20th September. Now, let me just open that. NS is taking so much time to load one particular thing. So if you are this is just taking not even a fraction of second, microsecond, it is opening the data. BWAP is 208.84. You can see 208.84 here. This is the price. So the BWAP for each and every strike price, call option, put option, you're getting everything. And also I'm having a report here which is giving the average of the 5 days BWAP also. So Bajaj Finance is the average BWAP you're getting here, and sell signal, what is sell signal, buy signal? And as I told you that I'm going to keep on adding new reports to this, and it's going to make it more rich for people who are using this data analysis very easy, and going to be something very exciting for people who are doing backtesting, handling data, analyzing the reports. And it's page 3 where you get stock price, F&O stocks, what signal, buy sell signal we're going to get, that also is there. And everybody, I'm sure everybody who is seeing my YouTube video, they also know about the Excel dashboard, which is Power BI dashboard, which I'm using here for doing the daily analysis. That report also I'm planning to put into this report and try to add both and give more power to this Excel dashboard actually. So in this new dashboard, Power BI dashboard, whatever information you can see, which I'm showing every day in the YouTube video also. So in this case, we are going to see this FA data, F&O data analysis. What report is there? That one sheet is there. One report that also is going to get here, and then you are going to see the different dashboards for this levels. The levels for the long breakout, short breakout. That levels also is going to get there. So these are things you are going to get there also. Let me just open the file. So definitely, I'm sure you are getting excited for this Power BI report. You want seeing what's the power of this actually. So any doubts till now, you can raise your questions now. I'm not seeing the thing actually. What is it? See, whoever want to buy the subscription for the Excel dashboard can WhatsApp me, and the number I just mentioned here. It's taking time because C drive is having 17 GB only, so that's the reason it's taking time actually. So I'm putting the I just put this in here chat box here. WhatsApp 8610143936 is the WhatsApp number. I'll share the link also. So the link I shared in the this Telegram channel also. You can use that one. So this sheet is does not need any Excel or something like that. You can use in the browser only. The only browser is necessary for using this Excel dashboard, online Excel dashboard. I showed you. This is the how you look like. You need a browser only. This link you'll be getting by email. This browser only, just use it. That's it. Nothing else you need to use. Any other doubts? The monthly subscription cost for this is 500, and for annual subscription is you're buying for 6 months and you're getting 6 months free. It's like 3,000 rupees only you're going to get cost. Yeah, I'm planning to bring all the. Actually, I'm planning to bring 3 courses all together. Actually, there are 3 courses actually. One is the Excel training course where you'll be able to learn about the Power Excel training, where you'll be learning about Power Query, Power BI, Power Pivot, and lot of Excel tools which is available for making you highly productive actually. And that one also we're going to see. And about the financial strategy course also is there, and then the traders mentoring program. So all these 3 things I'm going to try to bring everything together, and it's all essential for the traders actually. So this try to use that opportunity. I will just make a separate video for that, and definitely I will mention about what is the process by month end. I'm trying to start all these 3 courses actually. Any other doubts for anybody?
Yes, one question. Are you going to
Yeah,
send?
hi.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Are
I
you
have
going
one
to?
doubt.
Swarna, first Swarna, sir. Tell me Swarna.
Yeah, thanks. I'm sorry, I'm dodging in, but see, are you going to send the new BI file? Because I've been able to link the FNO data, as you said, that
Yes.
linking was done, but when I'm selecting the stocks, the stock selection is not happening. The ones which are on the dashboard, I'm able to see that, but I'm not able to select any new stock.
Means for example,
Goes
which one
blank.
you're using? Let me just show you 1 minute.
Go to the first page,
Very
dashboard
good.
page,
Yeah. Okay.
and then um, yeah, first open it.
It's going. Since I opened so many things now, it's taking some time. I think let me just close this one. Yeah, I just close this one. Yeah, this one. No?
Yeah, basically what happens is that on this area, the where your cursor is hovering on the right side of it, this area when you are selecting, let's say
Hmm.
HDFC CS and all, I'm getting the link is
Ah,
working properly. But when I'm going to the company name or
ah.
symbol, right? So when I'm choosing, let's say
No, you have to
I'm giving
clear.
a
For example, now I want to see Indigo. Okay, Indigo.
right.
1 minute. Symbol name is Indigo. Okay, now let me just type here Indigo. Okay, now you type here Indigo. What happens here? You get the Indigo here down. Okay, let me just wait. Symbol is Indigo now, correct now? Or what is the name?
I think so.
1 minute. Axis. Let us Axis Bank. Okay, Axis Bank. Okay.
Yeah, this is what
Let
I'm
me just.
getting. It goes blank, just like this. This is exactly what's happening. And then
Okay,
access is
now what's happening is because selection is here, no? That is the reason you're not getting here. Just what you do, click this eraser button here. Click the eraser button here. Selection go off here. Now type whatever you want to type here. For example, Indigo. Okay, type Indigo. Will get Indigo. Select here. Click.
okay, I'll
You'll
try
get
that
Indigo.
once again.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. One. Any doubt?
And
Next, any doubt? Yeah. Tell me.
yeah,
Yes or
and
no?
you are going to send the link for the new file, right? The one
Yes.
which is
Yes.
having the
Yes.
start. Okay. Thanks.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Yeah.
See, and
Yeah.
also what I'm thinking is some people are having a problem in understanding. So to just do some hand holding of the people, every day when I update the data, I'll just share the file in that one OneDrive file, and I'll give the link for you every day in the email. What are the registered email you are giving? I'll give every day a file updation done. Okay, so that you not
Great.
refresh. this problem. Updations also will get every day automatically.
Great. Thanks.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Hello. Yeah, I have one more doubt. So we are dealing with market. So using these files and all those things, can we get the money every day?
But you have to see, this is what this is a strategy. Okay. Now, how to enter, how to exit, you should know, because what happens many times you come under pressure, you are seeing some profit here, then you come under pressure and exit very early. Got it? So the first thing is that first, which instrument you are trading actually?
What?
Which instrument you trade
Hello.
normally? Yeah, which
Yeah,
instrument you
I am
trade
a
normally?
F&O trader.
No,
Options?
F&O, which option?
Yeah, all
Which one?
160 options. Yeah,
All
all
the 160.
index and individual stocks. All. Yeah.
So first of all, there is a first mistake. Okay. Now, because what happens here, Bank Nifty is a big elephant. Okay, not even big elephant, you can tell dinosaur. Now, handling one instrument itself becomes so much of difficult for anybody to track. Like for example, to tell example very simply, it is like having one wife or one husband only, a spouse. Okay, family. Now, assume that you have so many spouses or something very difficult to handle. Understanding one spouse will become very difficult nowadays. Correct? So something like this. If you want to become professional and efficiency, productivity, consistency, profitable, then you should start trading only one instrument. Either bank Nifty.
Yeah.
I focus only bank Nifty, and you trade in only bank Nifty, because if you're asking question whether I can make profit means, then it is giving very clear indication that you are getting mixed up with so many stocks actually. Okay, because if you see that day what Indigo gave a buy signal here on the call options here, it comes very rarely. But Tata Steel, if you see Tata Steel, Tata Power, okay, this stock is National Aluminium. These stocks will give you regularly sometimes. So you have to keep a tab on particular one stock and trade on that stock only.
So that means I am getting these symbols every day.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, that
Ramesh,
means yeah.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
have one more doubt.
Yes, you must tell me.
Yeah, that means we are getting this is the end of the file actually. Bow copy is the end of the day file.
Bow
So
copy is
we are
the
getting this date.
this is live. This is live. Market will be live market. The rates will be ticking. Each and every ticks you will get.
Okay. Okay. Can you send the link? Can you send the link? I am ready to subscription for this.
Yeah, I'll share the link actually. In the Telegram channel, I already posted actually.
Okay.
I've seen the link actually.
Ramesh,
Yeah, Mahesh, you're over now
I am
through your groups.
actually I am getting your WhatsApp number only.
No, no, in the Telegram, you're in Telegram channel, my Telegram channel.
No.
Oh, okay, okay. Let me just. So this is the link actually. This is the link. So I'll just put in the link here. So you can use the link to pay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Next, anybody else who are in doubts?
Ramesh, Sanjay
Yeah.
Arora
Yes.
here.
Sanjay. Yes, Sanjay.
Yeah, what I am asking that this live Excel sheet, Excel dashboard,
Yeah.
once we get live in the market, then only we can make the usage of this long breakout and short breakout which are coming during the market hour. So this
Yes,
cannot
correct.
be used at the end of the day report.
No, see this end of the day report for analysis of market, which stocks have moved, which stocks are, if you see here like position, this is another Power BI report which I'm using for YouTube daily. Okay, this one if you see here the position, okay, this report gives you that what is the stop loss for your bank Nifty. Okay, this report I will try to put in that report what I'm going to give to the all in Excel dashboard here. Okay, now this will help you to understand what is the position buy sell signal also. You see for
Okay.
Nifty, the buy signal we got here, this is very what you can tell little not we can tell conservative, very conservative. We can tell here this is a conservative, this is aggressive stop loss. You can see those who bought here at 15,686 here or 15,913 versus 15,945. For them the stop loss is one. You can see here those bought 15,945. This stop loss is 16,573 because of 7603 we got here. This is a very conservative, not a conservative, aggressive so that you can have big stop loss here. And this is a conservative stop loss here. You can go saw here 2 days we got a stop loss hit, again we got a buy signal here, and then from there 16.72 we got till this ride we got here. So this report also we'll be getting the Power BI dashboard in the coming days.
The question is that just go to that stock breakout sheet. That if
Yeah.
somebody is trading in stocks, like I trade in stocks a lot,
Yeah,
and
okay.
if I have to make use of this sheet, that means I should know how to link the data Power Query with the FNO data, because that is a step I am facing slight problem.
So
what
this
I
is the one
suggest you
actually. So this is the
no,
report you can
earlier,
see.
earlier one. Yeah,
This
this
one.
sheet I want to make use. Yeah.
So
Because
see, for example, there are 2 sheets actually. This is specifically give you which strike price you have to select. Okay.
okay, that's good. Yeah.
So because to avoid the confusion, because I have a levels here. Okay, you can see the levels here for each and every strike price for FNO stock. I have the levels here. Short breakout, long, go long, pivot, everything is available. So I'm selecting this pivot point strike price for the this option, this strike price selection purpose. So if Indigo is giving a breakout, then this strike price you have to select here, and what is the BWP, what is the current market price, what is the profit also, everything you're getting here. So it's like a spoon feeding for you, which selection of stock price, which strike price, everything is giving to you here.
One should act on this at around 9:30 only, and not before 9:30, because there are a lot of pre-trades.
Ah, yes. So that you have to take care, because at the first 15 minutes, lot of ups and downs will be there. So you have to be little careful about entering that time. And here, these stocks you will get for all FNO stocks. Overall market trend also you can see here. You can see on Friday.
My only problem is understanding the process to link this Excel dashboard and that FNO data and the Power BI query. But this doesn't have to do anything with the Power BI query. I don't have to link any data. This is live data.
Nothing. That is end of day data and nothing to do with it. And this is the intraday.
Okay, that is end of the data. This is live data. So live data doesn't have any issue. Okay, sir. Okay,
Nothing.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Any other doubts? Ishwar, you can WhatsApp me. I can just WhatsApp with me, Ishwar. So you can just I'll tell you what are the things available and I can help you out. Okay, any other doubts? So you can conclude that all the things, doubts are clear now.
Ramesh, is it possible to have kind of a user guide in the cover page from this document?
Come again. I'm to listen.
No, if you can add some kind of a cover page in this document, just to have some kind of so it will be more. Yes.
Which document you mean? For this Excel?
Excel, yes. FNO stocks as well as the trading dashboard.
Several times like this, people don't read at all. Again, they come and ask me what is this all about. When I tell you it's available, where is available? Okay, you have some 25 pages. In which page number, in which line it is available. So people don't read at all. So there is no point in making this waste of time for me only.
Okay, people like
I will tell you, for example, I can give you for this Power BI, one book I'll give to you. It's almost 5,000 pages will be there, okay, in total. Now, if this Power BI report I'll give you for free. Now, what are doubts are there? You have to go read that and find out and get the answer, solve this. Will you be able to do it? You tell, sorry, sir, I'll just
definitely not.
So there is no point. I tried my best. Many times people buy this recording and all, and people don't see at all actually. Okay, because they think that recording means it's buying means they're storing into the brain. It's not like that. You have to start using it actually.
One sheet by the name of bubble, I could see it earlier. What is it?
Come again?
There's one sheet in BI report named bubble.
No, I'm not able to hear you.
No, what I'm saying, there was one sheet in the BI report named bubble.
Yes. So you saw that, huh?
Yeah. What was it? Yeah, it is.
So this is a bubble report actually. This is also like a Bahubali type scene. The report. You want the fascination Shankar movie. Now here you can select the report here. Now here expiry date I will select here 30th September. Let me just select 30th September here. I'll just clear everything and I will select only 30th September here. 30th September. Okay, and then what else I want? That's all. Now the bank nifty is what I'm selecting here. I want to pay the movie now. So this is show here expiry levels now. How which open interest is building up actually open interest. Starting from April is showing actually because the activity was there in this April. So what are data April is available? It is available everything here.
Okay.
Just fast forward this up. It's coming. May we got here. Just fast forward this. June. Yeah, started activity here at 40,000 June. July we started activity. 34,000, 33,000. What the information is? Here we are seeing the open interest. The bubble what we are using here is open interest change. You see here, fall of this is the information you are seeing here, change of open interest. Where the buildup is seen. You can see how 36,000 call option, put option open interest buildup is seen. Or both 36,000 call option. See, suddenly when market shoots up, 37,000 got coming down actually. Now that is 5 value. So this is the what the bubble chart. Doing this animation and all in Excel is not possible with Power BI. It will just Mercedes Benz, we can tell some any luxury car. Okay, any other doubts? Okay, we'll close for the day. And anybody who want to buy the this Excel online Excel dashboard subscription, so I given the link in the chat box. You can just copy this, and then the Power BI dashboard. Once you subscribe, then you'll be getting the link into the email. And regularly, I'll be giving even Astrobi also. I'm trying to subscribe, actually sending the information. And once I send the information, I'll be mentioning about Telegram channel. I keep add market@1205@gmail.com. That's the email ID. Keep adding it.
Ramesh sir.
Yeah.
Sir, what Power BI I am using, it's latest key data version 1. It's having only 9 pages.
Which one?
Power BI file which we shared to me, it is having only 9 pages. I am not having all these pages, the bubble and straddle charts and all those things.
No, this is I'm using for my YouTube video. Okay, this I am not giving anybody as of now. Okay, I'll be keep on adding slowly this information also into this Power BI because it's just people have started using the Power BI. Okay, if I give everything, they'll become people mad actually. Slowly infusing into the blood of the traders.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm having this one only. This one. Yes.
So you can. I will keep on sending them. Just take note of email ID. If any mails is going to spam, you can just ensure that it's not going to spam, and try to add the remove from spam this email ID market@1205@gmail.com. So any mails you'll be getting it directly, and I'll be keep on sending some mails in the future also. Some updates, everything will be there. You'll be keep on getting, and I'm not going to charge for that. All the people who are on the annual subscription, you'll be getting a lot of offers and freebies and so many things you're going to get. And you'll be getting excitement now and then.
Okay, sir. Okay. Achha, sir, in Excel dashboard, can you add that advanced decline?
Advanced decline. See, that's what I try to do actually, because this is the something sort of thing actually. 14 stocks are above the long breakout, and 17 stocks are below the short breakout. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is very clearly showing that market is in down move.
Yes, sir. So this could be, its summary could be put on the Bank Nifty and Nifty page. Only that advance is 14 and decline is 17. Only that summary could be added here.
Yeah, yes, possible. Yes. I will add it.
Please, sir.
Small changes you can do it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Anybody else? Any doubts? Hello.
Ramesh, today we don't have any that Excel training, is it?
Yeah, this, because 1 hour we are spending on this actually. But are you everybody's energetic to attend the session? Everybody?
Sir, we will keep it on Monday only.
See, your energy levels are not there properly. Because see now next 4 days every day I have 1 hour session actually. Okay. See, there is something called energy exchange. Now try to I'll tell about the topic what is energy exchange in this one of sessions. In our sessions, it's a very interesting topic. We'll try to explore about that. It is very interesting topic for you.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah. Yes, Mahesh.
Yeah, am I getting both files, Excel and Power BI both, or am I getting only one after subscription of this?
After subscription of this, you will get this Power BI. If and no stocks, no, these 9 pages are there. You will get this one, and then access to this Excel file you will get for 1 year.
Okay. Yeah, and how do I get it? After paying that, I need to be sent confirmations like screenshots or everything like that, or
Yeah,
just
see, I will know automatically, but better you send me in WhatsApp after payment. WhatsApp this number and the chat box I mentioned here, one WhatsApp number.
yeah.
So this is
Okay.
a WhatsApp number. So send the, or otherwise I will see also, but unless immediately if you want to access me, then you have to send me WhatsApp.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, any other doubts? Okay, thank you everybody for attending the webinar. Hope everybody will learn something new thing, and my effort to just make people profitable. And also I'm planning one algo this trading also with one of the algo platform. Once it is successful, I'll just mention about this. What is that all about? I'll just show you that one this thing trade book actually for what I got. So this is algo trading. What actually I got the trade book actually from one of the algo operators actually, which I got, and I'm going to test it with from Monday. And this is only for option buying actually. So option buying, this is the trade book actually, and this is a profit. It's only one lot actually option buying, and the profit is almost like if you see like a starting capital is minimum cap 20,000. Just it actually the involved only 10,000 rupees per lot roughly 10,000, but 25,000 is what expected to be kept actually. So for September month, if you see here till later 25,000, the profit is coming to almost 40% actually till now. This is without your any involvement or something. This algo does everything, and with only just last 4 months, it's continuously has been doing good progress actually. At least you're getting 10% in this algo actually implementing this. So I'll use my money and do this, and I'll see testing how it is coming. At least 1 week I want to test it in the real money, and then I will let you know about this. And I want people to participate with. Somebody want to have less capital, when 10,000 capital is there, they can try it out this, because the monthly subscription charges are there for this is around 5,500. With small capital they cannot afford. Those who are cannot afford, they can use this. I will try to give a platform for them to participate in this actually. So to help the small traders, for them to make the maximum benefit of this. Once you become big, then you can take your own subscription. Do this also. I will guide you people, and you can do it on your own also. So what are the options? I will try to help you out, so that you can make some consistent profitability and bring confidence. That's very important. As a trader, many people who lost money in the market, they want to get the confidence in trading and want to see the profits in their book actually. So that is my objective, to bring show the profits to people and make some money. Small money is also okay, no problem, but profit is what everybody wanted to see actually. I'll try my best to bring all the people into the profitable trading zone. What are the best I can do from my side, I will do it for you. But I'm just what are charges I'm doing is very small, just to handle my even the webinar. What I'm doing is go to meeting is a paid subscription. I have to pay for the subscription, and there's so many other costs also is there. So I have to pay for that also, and also there is some value should be there for the energy exchange. What energy I'm sharing to you, I'm getting some reward also, so that it will motivate me also. Okay, so that's the purpose. Otherwise, definitely my objective is to make all your traders profitable consistently. That's my objective also, and it's a win-win for both of us.
Sir, this algo trading, it's manual or automated order execution?
Fully automated. Maximum loss of whenever it's 1,000 rupees, it will come out, exit, cut the loss, and the profit whenever it's 3,000 rupees, it will exit.
Which broker platforms it will support, sir?
Alliance Blue is there. Different platforms are there. The details I'll share later actually, because I'm just exploring so many options actually. I'll explore that details.
Helpful, interesting feature. Algo means many people will be interested because a lot of working people will be there who cannot monitor screens.
Yes. Because minimum comes 25,000, and if you select a wrong strategy, then there's a problem. Is there right strategy is important because there's so many strategies are available, and you have to select the right strategy and deploy the right capital, and so many things are there. So I will try to do the best, do the research for you people, and give you the one strategy which is working, and try to deploy the capital.
This option buying will be helpful because everybody is doing option selling only, algos, so they might face a lot of issues. But option buying, I don't think many are there.
Yes. The option buying purely focusing only on option buying, and risk also is limited. Only 1,000 rupees risk maximum. If it is more than 1,000, it will cut immediately. So your risk is very limited.
Okay, and keep us posted.
This is the maximum risk you can see here in the profit, because this spillage is there. You can some 100 rupees, maybe more slightly. Otherwise, the maximum loss will be 1,000 only.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hello.
Yeah, Manish.
I have a doubt. Is it possible to trade from Excel?
Yes, it's possible, but the problem is what I had some feedback from some people that sometimes it's doing double entry and sometimes blocking the broker platform, something like that. But definitely it's possible actually. But better because we trade better, it can do. There's no difference trading from Excel or trading from Zerodha. But sometimes if the platform is not accepting the trade, sometimes you missed out something, then the loss is yours. It's better that you because it's better that you trade in that platform and do trades. What is the objective of trading in Excel as compared to that broker platform?
Because of Excel, we can analyze more data points compared to the terminal. That's why.
No, that's the reason I'm giving you this actually. What you can do is once you give subscription, I'll give you this file to you for free. Then you can use whatever modification you want to do. You have the subscription, True Data subscription, where you have to pay around 2,200 something per month. If you want to buy more symbols, then it will cost you around 3,000 rupees per month actually. Then you can do your own analysis. I can do it also here.
Yeah. Okay.
Because if you go for subscription, monthly subscription, True Data will cost you 3,000 rupees per month.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other doubts?
So this algo feature you mentioned, that's your strategy will be yours, or that is something you are taking?
There's their strategy for option buying.
Yeah, so that will be your strategy.
Yeah, it will be their own strategy, and we are just using the strategist.
Okay.
We can build our own strategy, but it will be definitely very, very cumbersome and time consuming and also costly also. They're telling almost for developing new strategy will cost you around 10 to 15K only for developing. Maybe if the strategy is not a failure, then the amount is best.
No, whatever you just showed one of the examples, that strategy, what exactly that strategy is? Did they explain you like how based on what parameters?
I have got some coding also. I'll have to analyze that. Once I analyze that, I will try to share that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, thank you all. So any doubts, you can keep in touch. All my contact details I given to you. Keep in touch, and we'll try to do what help I can do from my side. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.